Yeah, you can feel it in the air. This Harmattan wind is entering body. In the same way, JAMB is getting closer. You can feel JAMB coming closer and closer and closer. It is often said that maximum preparation ensures perfect delivery. As JAMB is coming closer, a lot of tutorials are spreading up everywhere. Among these tutorials are good tutorials, online tutorials that will help you get to your destination or the targeted goal you've set for JAMB, right? But then there are still some devilish and dubious ones. Some who will promise leaks, some who will promise short questions. I'm making this video to help you to evade these scams by giving you the top 3 tutorial centers that I know of in this country. Some of them have been there for 5, 6, 7 years. So they've gained followership and authentication. The first one I have for you is my school, Nigeria. You know my school, Nigeria now. They're popular, they're the big guys in the game. And they've been there for several years. Of course, with those videos alone, if you sit down with those videos and watch them back to back to back, you will pass JAMB, you will beat JAMB like this. They also have apps, okay? You can check their website or go to Apple Store or Google Store to download the apps and practice for free. Okay, then number 2, we have AllCBTs. I'm a facilitator on AllCBTs. Many of you know me already. I take English, okay, across all exams. I also take literature in English. It's going to be massive this year. I'm loaded and I'm prepared to give you back to back to back to back to cover the whole syllabus, break it down like nobody's business. You will love it, I'm promising you. So aside that, we have other about 7 tutors, quality guys for mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, biology, commercial, art subjects. We stand. Go check the channel and we'll see what's going on. We have over 300 videos loaded from JAMB and all of these other tutorials, preparing you maximally. So you can also opt in for those videos online which are free, which will touch all the bases regarding JAMB 2026. So you can employ the service of any of our tutors. You can join the live class and get special attention. And don't forget, you can also use our apps free. Everything are free. You can use our app free. You can download it on Google Store or Apple Store. Go download those apps and practice questions for free. And then the 3rd tutorial center that you should probably try is allschools.ng. They've also been there for about some good number of years and they are reputable. You might want to check out their website or check out their YouTube page and see what you can get, right? So these are the top 3 among the hundreds of tutorial centers. I'm not saying the other ones are bad, no, I'm just saying these ones, over time we've interacted with them and see that they have good content, quality teachers. They don't just want to collect your money and run away, and you can be sure of good service delivery. Yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in another video. Bye.